In this video, I'll show you how to lower volume in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up our Audacity software. And once it's loaded, this is how it's going to look like. The next thing we're going to do is to lower the volume. But to lower a volume, we need to have a vocal sample. So we're going to record a vocal. Hello, this is a vocal sample for how to reduce volume in Audacity section. And once we play that, we're gonna get, hello, this is a vocal sample for how to reduce volume in Audacity section. Now you notice something, that once this thing is playing, once the wave is playing, hello, this volume bar keeps moving. So this is one way you can reduce the volume. You see, you don't hear anything, but once we increase it, you hear it. This is one way you can reduce it. There's also another way to reduce it by clicking on the vocal sample itself. Then you go to Effect, you go to Volume and Compression, and here you have some tools that you can use to reduce the volume. Now let's try Amplify. Now to use Amplify to reduce the volume, what we can do is we can change this here to the amplification to -6, and once we click on Apply, you see the volume of the wave has gone down. Now those are two ways that I've just shown you to lower the volume on Audacity. The first one that I show you here is to lower the volume of all the tracks that you have, all channels that you have. And this method of using the effects is to lower the volume of a particular channel. So you can have multiple channels. You want to lower the volume of everything, you can lower it here, or you can lower the volume for each record by going to Effects, Volume and Compression. You click on the recording first, you go to Effects, you go to Volume and Compression, and you can lower it here. Now that's how to lower volume in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.